Another question we are often asked is, why deploy more units with small range instead of one unit with a large range? The answer is simple. Urban landscapes create coverage gaps. Cities aren't open field. Buildings, streets, and other structures disrupt airflow, creating pockets of concentrated pollution hotspots. A single large air cleaner might have a broad theoretical range, but urban structures hinders its reach, leaving coverage gaps. Multiple smaller units, strategically placed to overcome this challenge, they form a network of targeted cleaning zones, reaching every corner and ensuring consistent air quality. Smaller units like PAMARES integrate seamlessly into urban landscapes, mounting on existing infrastructures like streetlights. They don't obstruct public spaces, unlike bulky standalone systems. The design ensures that urban aesthetics and functionality are preserved while addressing air quality issue. Deploying smaller units creates a decentralized system. If one unit fails, the overall system's efficiency isn't compromised. Unlike a single large air purifier where a failure would result in a total breakdown of air cleaning in that area. And lastly, smaller units offer greater flexibility in scaling up. Cities can start with small investment by deploying units in most critical areas and gradually expanding coverage as budgets or needs evolve.